Here's a quick video of Ask Fiona in action. If you go into a resident's profile, you'll notice we have this new Ask Fiona icon dotted around the application. Simply click on it and it'll ask you to generate a wellbeing update for John Ahern. Click the button and it will review the last month's worth of observations, progress notes, incidents, ADL recorded in touch care, and give you a general overview. So what it'll do here is here's a general wellbeing update. It'll also include some mobility and physical health based on the information that has been recorded. It'll give you information on food and fluids, emotional well-being, and then a summary of some specific events that have happened throughout the month. Another thing it can do is review the last month's worth of progress notes. So again, you'll see another icon here beside the progress notes section. Ask Fiona for assistance. And ask you, what can I help you with? And we said, create a summary of the resident's last month of notes. And when you click on the icon, it will review everything that's been recorded in the last month as a progress note for this resident, give you a summary, highlight some key observations, and give you a general update at the end as well. Give you an overall condition of how the resident is doing based on the information that you've been recording. To find out what else it could do, if you navigate back to the homepage, you'll notice we have an Ask Fiona shortcut in the very top left-hand side. And if you click into it, you'll see there are a number of pre-made questions. But the most interesting one is, tell me what Ask Fiona could do. Click on it, Ask Fiona, and it'll suggest and recommend what else you can do with it. You can ask it your own specific question. It can check a medication when it's been added to the medications module. It can review, obviously, the patient progress notes we looked at earlier. It can generate the wellbeing update report that we had looked at as well. It can actually recommend and suggest a care plan framework based on the information you type into it. It will review the medical information that might have been recorded by a GP, and it'll give you some insights into the likes of people who are on weekly or monthly weights or incidents that have been recorded, some complaints that might have been recorded. It'll summarize and give you an overview of what's happening there too. This is just our first thoughts on what it can do, and we'd love to hear your feedback and recommendations of what you'd like to see it do next.